Paris is not just a city, it's a feeling, a place where nature, love, and art become one. Welcome to a journey through its magic. We arrived in Paris at night, tired but too excited. After checking into our cozy hotel and dropping our bags, we headed straight for the Eiffel Tower. Watching it sparkle against the night sky was like stepping into a dream. No photo can ever fully capture that feeling. Our second day was dedicated to culture. We began at the Louvre, walking through halls lined with centuries of human genius. And of course, there she was, the Mona Lisa, mysterious and magnetic, surrounded by visitors from every corner of the world. Seeing her in person felt surreal. From the Louvre, we made our way to the Arc de Triomphe, a monument to France's courage and sacrifice. We had hoped to fit in Notre Dame as well, but time was short, so we chose to visit the stunning Aura Invalides instead. At night, its golden dome glows beautifully against the dark sky, a moment of quiet reflection that still stays with me. Back at our hotel, we took a moment to rest, looking out over Paris from our window. Day 3 was for fun and wonder, Disneyland Paris, where every dream feels real, whether you're 5 or 50. We rode roller coasters, watched parades, As night fell, a spectacular fireworks show lit up the castle, a true fairy tale ending to the day.
Alors partez à sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
Merci d'avoir été parmi nous pour cette merveilleuse soirée. N'oubliez jamais que nous avons toutes et tous le pouvoir de créer de la magie. Ce n'est que le début de l'histoire.
Thank you for joining us for this.
Before we said goodbye, we came back for one final look at the Eiffel Tower, this time from the gardens in front. The soft morning light made it feel even more beautiful, a perfect memory to carry home. Quick tip: skip the expensive cafes right next to monuments. A short walk brings you cheaper, more authentic spots. And a word of caution: be careful around crowded areas like the Arc de Triomphe and Eiffel Tower, as pickpockets are always watching. Don't let them steal your memories. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Paris, where nature, love, and history live in every corner. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time and keep exploring.